We are here live at the Plaza of St. James Church. There is the morning program of the Youth Festival.
That's why so many of us like to come
Let's
on the
walk a
stage
little
together
bit
now.
and breathe in the atmosphere.
Because it really feels we know that on our own we can't do very much.
There is a testimony going on about Mary's meal, a guy from Scotland, and let's listen in.
It is making this beautiful gift for God. This work that we do is to provide one good meal every day. To the world's poorest children. We always serve that meal in school, so that we meet the immediate needs of the hungry child for food.
Freude auf ihrem Weg, Freude und Segen auf ihrem Weg.
We have these large.
I think
At one point he asked a question. He said, who was the first child? I was sitting there thinking back to the first school 20 years ago that we served meals in. Trying to remember the names of the children. And then Father Frankie said, it was Jesus, of course. Of course it was. It made me feel a little bit silly. But there was also a beautiful reminder. A reminder that every one of those children that we are feeding today is Jesus. Today in this troubled world, more people than ever are hungry. In fact, 1 in 9 people in the world today are suffering hunger. This in a world where there is more than enough food for all of us. This hunger that is taking the lives of so many children. It's an outrage that's crying out for every follower of Jesus to act. Yes, of course we should pray for the hungry,
Naravno, moramo moliti za gladne,
but then we need to act.
ali moramo i djelovati.
Those hungry children, they can't just be forgotten like they don't matter.
Ne možemo jednostavno zaboraviti tu gladnu djecu kao da su nebitni.
God did not create them for that.
Bog i nije za to stvorio.
He sees them.
On ih vidi,
He hears them.
on ih čuje.
He knows each of them by name.
On svakoga od njih zna po imenu.
Recently, I visited an area called Turkana in Kenya.
Nedavno sam posjetio jedno područje zvano Turkana u Keniji.
The situation there today is very desperate.
Situacija tamo danas je očajna.
I spent a day with a farmer called Ikai
Proveo sam dan s jednim farmerom koji se zove Ekaj
and his small son called Elad.
i s njegovim malim sinom koji se zove Ivan.
I don't think I will ever forget their names.
Mislim da nikad neću zaboraviti njihova imena.
They were herding their goats looking for water.
Pasli su svoje koze u potrazi za vodom.
Elad had dropped out of school because of hunger.
Ilon je prestao ići u školu zbog gladi.
It was over 2 years since it had rained in their village.
U njihovom selu 2 godine nije pala ni kap kiše.
Their animals had already begun to die.
Životinje su im počele umirati.
And Ikai, the father, told me that he knew his people were going to start dying soon also.
A otac Ikaju mi je rekao da zna da će njegovi ljudi uskoro početi umirati.
This is the reality that many millions of people are facing in the world today.
To je stvarnost s kojom se suočavaju milijuni ljudi danas u svijetu.
I like the fact that this big number of children that we feed every day, it ends in the number 1.
Sviđa mi se činjenica da broj djece koju u ovom trenutku hranimo završava s brojem 1.
Because the number's nice, but actually this work isn't really about big numbers.
Jer lijepi su brojevi, ali u ovom radu ne tražimo brojke.
It's about one hungry child with a name.
Mi mislimo na jedno gladno dijete koje ima svoje ime.
It's like that with all you young people here as well.
Tako je i sa svima vama mladima ovdje.
You are known by God.
Bog vas pozna.
He sees you.
On vas vidi.
He knows your name.
On vas zna po imenu.
And I pray these days that you come to know that even more deeply.
I ovih dana molim da to spoznate na još dublji način.
That He loves you.
Da vas on ljubi.
That He will never let you go.
Da vas nikad neće napustiti.
When we say that Mary's Meals is a work of love,
Kad kažemo da su Marijini obroci dijelo ljubavi,
we are talking about a love that is received and given.
govorimo o ljubavi koja se prima i daje.
We can only love because God loved us first.
Mi možemo ljubiti samo zato što je Bog prvi ljubio nas.
And that's why we know this work has to stay rooted in prayer.
I zato znamo da ovo naše djelo mora ostati ukorijenjeno u molitvi.
I think our Blessed Mother has come here all these years just to let us know this.
Mislim da Gospa dolazi ovamo sve ove godine kako bi nam pomogla to spoznati.
To know that God exists
Znati da Bog postoji
and that we are loved by Him.
i da nas on ljubi.
And taking part in a work like Mary's Meals,
Sudjelovati u dijelu kao što su Marijini obroci, Mary's Meals,
we point to His love.
mi ukazujemo na njegovu ljubav.
We point to Jesus.
Ukazujemo na Isusa.
So I thank you with all my heart for so many of you for supporting this work.
Zahvaljujem iz dubine srca tolikima od vas koji podržavaju ovo naše djelo.
For sharing your gifts so that all these children might eat.
Hvala vam što dijelite svoje darove kako bi ta djeca mogla jesti.
I extend an invitation to all of you, maybe who aren't involved in this work yet.
I pozivam sve vas koji možda još niste uključeni u to djelo.
please join this Mary's Meals family.
Molim vas, pridružite se obitelji Marijinih obroka.
All of us can do something.
Svatko od nas može nešto učiniti.
Our Lady invites us to be apostles of love
Gospa nas poziva da budemo apostoli ljubavi
and apostles of peace.
i apostoli mira.
It struck me recently when I was in Kenya
Kad sam nedavno bio u Keniji, pogodilo me je